Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to create a 360 image from just your phone. As you see, I am recording around my room. This is my office. And with just this action, I'm going to turn it in a 360 image. Okay, so now we are at Luma AI. This app will allow you to render a 3D from your video recording. It's as simple to record around to make 3D. So we're going to use this. This is a technology that is called NeRF, Neural Radiance Fields. It allows us to create a 3D render from our reality. So I already recorded my room, and this is the result I got. This is a Gaussian splat. What you are seeing here is like a cloud of points, and it starts to render. And now you can see a 3D of my room, what I just recorded. So you can move around, you can even render a camera, but what you can also do is get a 360 image of this. Look, you have plenty of options. You have GLTF for 3D objects, USDC, OBJ, Ply, and 360 image. This 360 image is going to allow us, it's not so well leveled, but we can fix that. This is a great start to have your own 360 image. So let's start. So we just need to add it to our project and create a new sequence. This sequence has the size of our 360 image that we're going to see, 5760 by 2880. This, if you can see, has a relation of 2 to 1, 2 points to 1. This means that is 2 times the height is the width. So it's really important because 360 image starts from this relation, 2 to 1 is the perfect relation to project a rectangular, an equirectangular image as this one to a sphere. So here in Premiere we have a lot of tools that can allow us to level this 360 image. For example, we can use projection, and this will have some tools for us where we can displace in the y-axis, but what we want is maybe level it in the x. Like this, we can make it more straight. So now, as we have a straight 360 image, we could look it in 360. In Premiere, we have these tools that they added since 2018 that allow us to understand better the 360 image. Obviously, Luma didn't make the best 360 image, but from a video to get this is a really good example. Okay, so let's continue. What we can add here, we can, for example, add titles. Yes, we can add a title. For example, there is an animated title, but what happens if I only add this like this? When you look it in 360, it will look really not good, really circled. But what we can do is that in VR we can use a plane to VR, and this will modify and make it a deformation so that when we see it in 360 it looks straight as it's to be. So we have a straight graphic. How we manage to change our titles? We just hit double click and that's it. Thank you for your visit. And that's it. We have a 360 image, 360 video, because now has a time sequence. And that's it. Now for the render, you just need to do export. And there is one important thing. You see here there is some black lines that will not help us in our export. So what we need to do is, for example, the best quality is Apple ProRes. So we do Apple ProRes, and in the video we have to look This is a 2-to-1 relation, and it is really important to click this part, that the video is a virtual reality video. If you do not put this, when you upload it to YouTube, you won't see it in a 360 way. So this is really important. And then you just export. Now we have our 360 video, and we can use Pod Player to visualize it. You can see it plain like an rectangular, or you can add the 360 mode to view it in 360. You can use my Instagram filter to put yourself inside your 360 video.